What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some special product formulas for binomials. First one is a plus b squared, which is gonna be equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A plus b squared equals to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. And we have the same thing for a minus b squared, which is going to be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, or a squared b squared minus 2ab. And also we have product of conjugates, which is a minus b times a plus b. That one is also called difference of squares, which is going to be a squared minus b squared. So the first one is called binomial squares, and the second one is called product of conjugates or difference of squares. So if I want to prove that one, we have, for example, for the first one, we have a plus b squared, which is a plus b times a plus b. When you distribute it, you have a times a, which is a squared. A times b is going to be ab. B times a is going to be ba. And then b times b is going to be b squared. So we have a squared plus ab and ba are the same, so it's going to be 2ab plus b squared. And then we have a minus b squared. It's going to be a minus b times a minus b. It's going to be a squared times negative ab times negative ba plus negative b times negative b is going to be positive b squared. So we have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And then product of conjugates, we have a minus b times a plus b. A times a is a squared. A times b is ab. Negative ba. And then negative b squared. These two cancel out. It's going to be a squared minus b squared. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.